Hello devotees, welcome to Tirumala Tirupati Info by KHM channel. In today's video, let's learn how to book the newly introduced Tirumala Shrivani Trust VIP Break the Shin tickets through the current day booking method with step-by-step instructions along with rules and guidelines for this booking. Before moving into the content, please share this video with your friends, family, neighbors and colleagues and also subscribe to our channel. With the Shrivani Trust VIP Break the Shin ticket, any devotee is granted the special privilege of attending VIP Break the Shin at Tirumala. To avail this, each devotee must first make a donation of 10,000 rupees to the Shrivani Trust. After completing the donation, an additional 500 rupees is to be paid for the darshan ticket. In total, the cost for one Shrivani Trust VIP Break the Shin tickets comes to 10,500 rupees per person. Each ticket is valid for only one individual and each ticket permits entry for VIP Break the Shin only once. With the Shrivani Trust VIP Break the Shin tickets, devotees can have a very close and special darshan of Lord Balaji from about 10 feet away from the sanctum. Devotees are not allowed to stop and pray inside. The queue keeps moving, so we have to pray while walking along with the line. TTD releases Shrivani Trust VIP Break the Shin tickets through three different methods. Regardless of the booking method, all ticket holders must report at 4 pm at Vaikundam Q Complex 1, which is shortly mentioned as VQC1. The darshan usually begins around 4:30 pm. The total time for darshan typically ranges between 1 to 1.5 hours depending on the number of devotees present and the time at which one joins the queue. During festival days, darshan timings may vary, so it is always advisable to check the time mentioned on your ticket. The first method is tickets for a particular month are released online 3 months in advance, just like other Tirupati darshan tickets such as Special Entry Darshan, Anga Pradakshanam and Arjita Sevas. In this system, tickets for the entire month are released at once with 500 tickets available per day. For example, if you want VIP darshan in July, the tickets for July will be released online in April itself for booking. This method is now called future date booking on the TTD website, and there is a separate detailed video on our channel explaining how to book tickets using this first method. The second method, recently introduced by Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanams, is known as the current day booking on the official TTD website. Under this system, 800 tickets are released online every day at exactly 9 am for same day darshan scheduled at 4 pm in Tirumala. Previously, these tickets were issued offline at Tirumala opposite Annamaya Bhavan. However, the offline issuance has now been completely discontinued. At present, all tickets under this category are made available only through the online mode for same day darshan. So, in the current day system, both ticket booking and darshan are completed on the same day itself. In the current day ticket booking process, the payment method is slightly different compared to the first method. In this option, both the donation amount and the ticket cost must be paid together in a single transaction. In the future date booking method, there are only two payment options available: credit card, debit cards, and net banking. However, in the current day booking process, an additional payment option is provided. Devotees can pay using credit cards, debit cards, net banking, or UPI, making it more flexible and convenient. In the future date booking system, a minimum of one ticket and a maximum of 9 tickets can be booked using a single mobile number login. In contrast, under the current date booking system, a minimum of 1 and a maximum of only 4 tickets can be booked using a single mobile number login. In the future date booking method, the same person can book this VIP Break the Shin ticket every day without any restriction. However, in the current day booking method, once a ticket is booked for a person, there must be a minimum gap of 7 days from the darshan date before another VIP ticket can be booked for that same person using the current day booking option. In the future date booking method, you are allowed to reschedule your darshan date only once. However, in the current day booking method, once a ticket is booked, it cannot be cancelled or rescheduled. In the future date booking method, accommodation booking is enabled to book online when a minimum of 2 darshan tickets are booked using a single mobile number login. However, in the current date booking method, there is no option to book accommodation online. Since the darshan is availed on the same day as the ticket booking, TTD does not provide accommodation under this method, regardless of whether a minimum of 2 or a maximum of 4 tickets are booked using a single mobile number login. If you require accommodation at Tirumala, you can book rooms directly at the general offline counters available at the CRO office under the general quota. No VIP darshan ticket is needed for this booking process. Rooms can be usually booked at the offline counter without the need for any darshan ticket. In the future date booking method, devotees have the flexibility to complete only the donation process in advance, even before the tickets are released. Once the tickets are open for booking, they can proceed to book their darshan. Alternatively, there is also an option to make both the donation payment and ticket booking together on the day the tickets are released. However, in the current date booking method, this flexibility is not available. Devotees cannot make the donation separately in advance. As mentioned earlier, both the donation amount and the ticket must be paid together in a single transaction under the current day booking method. Another key difference is regarding validity. In the future date method, tickets can be booked anytime within 1 year from the date of donation. In contrast, the current date method does not offer this option. Both the donation and ticket booking must be completed on the same day, and the darshan must also be availed on that very same day. Donations made under the future date method cannot be used to book tickets under the current date method. Donations made under the future date must be strictly used only for booking tickets through the future date method. Both future date and current date bookings are available only through the online mode. However, in the third booking method, which is available exclusively at Tirupati Airport, VIP break darshan tickets can be booked offline. Under this method, 200 tickets are issued daily and all tickets are for same day darshan at 4 pm at Tirumala. To avail this booking at the airport, devotees must have arrived by flight on the same day. A valid boarding pass is mandatory for every individual applying for the ticket at Tirupati Airport. Across all the three booking methods, there are a few common conditions. First, the ticket cost is 10,500 rupees per person. The reporting time is strictly 4 pm and all devotees must report exactly as mentioned on their ticket. Second, foreign nationals are not eligible to book this VIP break darshan ticket under any of these methods. Only Indian citizens and non-resident Indians are allowed to avail this VIP break darshan for the darshan of Lord Balaji. Foreign nationals do not have the option to book this ticket. Third, this ticket can be booked using Aadhaar or passport as ID proof. Indian residents must use their Aadhaar ID even if they also possess a passport. Only NRIs are allowed to use a passport for booking and they must carry both the passport and valid visa copies along with the darshan ticket when reporting for darshan. Fourth, strict dress code rules apply. Men must wear either a kurta pajama or a shirt with a dhoti. Women must wear a sari or a chudidar with a dupatta. There is no specific dress code for children. Fifth, there is no requirement to book a ticket for children below 12 years of age. However, it is mandatory to carry valid age proof such as an Aadhaar card or school ID for Indians or passport for NRIs at the time of reporting for darshan for age proof. For all devotees aged 12 and above, booking a ticket is mandatory. Car parking for VIP ticket holders is available next to the JEO Camp Office building. You can search for JEO Camp Office location on Google Maps. Only those with VIP break darshan tickets are permitted inside the temple during this special darshan. Hence, there will be no pushing or crowding in the queue, ensuring a peaceful and divine experience. This darshan offers an extremely close view of Lord Balaji from a distance of about 10 feet, making it a breathtaking and goosebump inducing moment. This is the biggest highlight of this ticket. I have shared my personal experience of the VIP break darshan and how the darshan takes place in our channel's dedicated playlist. You are welcome to watch it there. Now, let us look at the complete online booking process in detail. For booking tickets under the current day quota system, devotees can use either the TTD mobile app or the official TTD website. If you are using the TTD app, tap on Pilgrim Services icon and then select Shrivani Trust Donations. If you are using the TTD website, click on the Shrivani and other trust donations icon. Whether you use the TTD app or the website, once you click on Shrivani Trust Donations, you will be automatically redirected to the old TTD website. If you already have an account on the TTD old website, enter your email ID, password, and CAPTCHA code to login. If you don't have an account, click sign up and create a new login ID. Once you click on the sign up link, a registration form will appear just like you see in the video. Fill in all the required details to create your account. After creating your account, enter your email ID, password, and CAPTCHA code, then login. Now, the home page of the website will appear. On the right side, under latest updates, the first point displayed is about the new system for current day booking of VIP Break the Shin tickets. Although it is mentioned that tickets will be available every day from 9 am to 2 pm, in reality, tickets under this system usually get fully booked within 1 to 1.5 minutes. So, it is highly advisable to use either the mobile clipboard method or the notepad copy paste method to book tickets quickly and without mistakes under this system. A separate video explaining how to use the mobile clipboard and notepad copy paste method is available on our channel. You can refer to it for guidance. Log in at least 5 minutes before the ticket booking opens. Be on the home page by 8:55 am. At exactly 9 am, click on the Shrivani Trust Donations link on the homepage. Tap on the Continue to Donate button. On the newly opened page, enter the donation amount. For one ticket, the donation amount is 10,000 rupees. Similarly, for 2, 3 or 4 tickets, enter 20,000 rupees, 30,000 rupees and 40,000 rupees respectively. If you are booking a ticket for one person and enter a donation amount of 10,000 rupees, the number of pilgrims option will not be displayed. The system will automatically consider it as one pilgrim. However, if you enter 20,000, 30,000 or 40,000 to book 2, 3 or 4 tickets respectively, a number of pilgrims drop down option will appear below the donation amount field as now you are watching in the video. Once you click on this drop down, you can select 1, 2, 3 or 4 pilgrims based on the donation amount you have entered. If you are booking one ticket, the total amount to be paid is 10,500 rupees. For 2 tickets, the total is 21,000. For 3, you need to pay 31,500 and for 4 tickets, the total comes to 42,000 rupees. In case, if you are planning to book 4 tickets, it is better to split the booking. Like, book 2 tickets from one login and the other 2 from a different login instead of booking all 4 under the same mobile number login. This is because booking all 4 tickets under a single login takes more time as you need to enter details for all 4 persons and during that time the available quota may get reduced. To avoid this, it's better to book 2 tickets from one login and another 2 from a different login simultaneously using 2 devices, and this is a quicker and more reliable way to secure tickets for all 4. After entering the donation amount, carefully read and select both the checkboxes displayed below the amount field. The first states that 50% of the donation will be treated as a corpus donation, and the second mentions that only devotees with Indian citizenship can book this ticket and foreign nationals are not eligible. Then click the Continue button below. On the next page, a pop-up will appear asking, do you wish to avail break the shin through the current day or future day method? Since we are booking tickets under the current day method now, select the current day option. If you click on the current day option before 9 am, when ticket booking hasn't opened yet, or after the entire quota for that day is already filled, you will see an alert message as shown in the video. It will display your request could not be processed at this moment as the quota is either not yet released or has already been completed. If you click the current day option exactly at 9 am, The confirmation box shown in the video will appear. This box displays all the rules and regulations we discussed earlier. After carefully reading them, click the S button below to proceed. On the page that opens, you can see the number of tickets currently available and the date for which the tickets are released and the reporting time at the top section. Below that, you will find fields to enter pilgrim details. Make sure you fill in the details of the person who will actually attend the darshan, that is, the individual for whom the ticket is being booked. Enter all the information carefully as these details cannot be modified after the booking is completed. Keep a close watch on the top section where the available quota is displayed. As you can clearly see in the video, the ticket count keeps decreasing gradually while we enter details in each field. That's why it is very important to fill in all the information quickly. The fastest way to do this is by using the mobile clipboard or a notepad copy paste method. After entering all the details, click on the continue button. On the next page, you will see a breakup summary of the total amount to be paid. Below that, pilgrim details you entered earlier will be displayed. Further down, you will find the payment gateway option. Currently, only Union Bank of India is available. Select this option and click on the Pay Now button. In the next step, you will see multiple payment options such as UPI, credit card, debit card, and net banking. You can choose whichever option is convenient for you and proceed with the payment. For UPI, credit card, and debit card payments, no additional service charges will be applied. However, if you choose the net banking option, an extra service fee will be added to the total amount as you are watching in the video. After successful payment, your ticket will be displayed. You can download it and carry a copy along with the same ID proof used during booking when you go for darshan. If the number of available tickets is less than the number you requested, an alert message will appear as shown in the video, indicating that the available quota is less than the entered quantity. We hope this detailed video has answered all your questions about the Shrivani Trust VIP break darshan current day method and helped you understand the complete booking procedure. May your darshan be peaceful, close, and spiritually fulfilling. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends, family, neighbors, and colleagues so they can also benefit from this information. Thank you for watching, and we will meet again in another useful and informative video.